What's up, guys? Welcome to the edition of Market Marauders. Beating the market, one trade at a time. If you're new to the channel, Market Marauders is an investment channel. It helps you find the best deals in the market. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below, like, comment, and share. Also down below, I have a link to my Patreon page. So throughout the week, I have a chat where people can come in and we can discuss different stocks that are changing throughout the week for just more, real-time stock analysis. So if that's something you're interested in, click that Patreon link down below and join the group. Now, every week I have my top 3 dividend picks for the week. So let's jump into them. So for number 1, I have ticker sign ABT for Abbott Laboratories. Moving average 50 is 82.54. Moving average 200 is 83.94. They ended the week at 89.85. Now, when it comes to these stocks, these are just for value investing. So, for the long term, so stock price is important, but what's more important is the dividends that these stocks actually give. So, for value investing, in my opinion, value investing is, you want to get dividends long term, and you want to find companies that have been giving their dividends for a long term, have a good track record, as well as increasing that dividend, so you can get money for owning that share. So with that being said, that's kind of how I pick these stocks, and I try to give some every week. So, all right, I'll jump into that, give some background information on Abbott Laboratories. So here's one of their press releases. It says Abbott launches third Roni test, laboratory-based antibody blood test that will ship in the U.S. starting tomorrow. This came out on the 15th. So this was their big test that I think Donald Trump was talking about, that a lot of people have been using. It's supposed to be a lot faster and a lot more efficient than the other tests that have been out there. So it says this adds Abbott's previous announced molecular test, the M2000 lab-based test, and now ID Now rapid point of care test. New antibody tests will run on Abbott's Architect I1000SR and I2000SR laboratory instruments, and will expand to its new Alinity I system. It begins shipping tomorrow and intends to distribute 4 million tests in April, ramping up 20 million in the U.S. Per month in June and beyond. So they're going pretty fast as far as distribution and production of these tests. And a lot of these companies, have been around for a while, been giving dividends for a while, but I think this is one of the main companies that is directly related to the whole, pandemic situation, and has really hands-on information and hands-on products that are, directly affecting people's lives. So not only is from the standpoint of dividends, a good dividend stock, it's also a good stock for actual growth, because, with the fact that they're directly related to the whole pandemic situation, their stock value has kind of stayed a lot higher than most of the other stocks that have kind of tanked because of the whole situation. So, going into their dividend, uh, so if you're looking for dividends, the important dates you want to get is the declaration date, record date, and payment date. So the payment date, self-explanatory. It's the date you get paid. Record date is the date that you have to have the stock in your portfolio in order to get the dividend. Declaration date is basically the day they tell you about the stock. I mean, about the dividend. And then there's the cash amount, and then there's XF date. So basically, you know, the record date is basically the date you have to have the stock by. So, you know, you get it by that date and you get that dividend. And then the payment date is basically the day you get paid. So, you know, this is a good website, Nasdaq.com. It's free. You just basically go on here, type in the ticker, and it'll tell you how much you'll get for the dividend. So if you see in the past it was 32 cents, and they've increased it to 36 cents. It was 26 cents then it went to 28 cents, then it went to 32 cents, and it went to 36 cents. So that's a good sign as far as dividends is concerned. It's been increasing, and if you can see on here, since 2016, it's been increasing, and it's still increasing. So that's good for a value investor to see that the stock has been paying out for a while, and they've been increasing it as time has gone on, and they're not being affected by the current market that's going on. So jumping into our number two, we got ticker sign CAH. It's for Cardinal Health Incorporated. Moving average 50 is $48.94. Moving average 200 is 49.01. They ended the week at 47.42. So they're below their moving average 50 and the moving average 200. Going into some background information is basically just saying that they're going to have a third quarter results, and that's going to be on May 11th, prior to the market opening. So, if you guys are interested in that, go and tune in. It'll definitely give you a lot of good information as far as, trying to figure out where the company is and how they've been affected by the whole, pandemic situation. So, go to their website and click on this. It tells you the time. 8:30 a.m. Eastern time is basically when they're going to have it, and then you just click on this link right here. So if you're new to going and doing due diligence like this, basically you'll click on the link during the time or a little before, and it'll ask you like your name, your email, what company you work for, and then you just go to the portal. You don't have to like pay for anything or anything like that. So to you guys who are new to investing, it's free. You just go and click on the link, and then you can listen to it. There's a lot of valuable information on there, and a lot of good information. Just to listen to the questions that people ask. They kind of give you a lot of insight on what the company's doing, and they explain a lot of things that they don't publish in the actual press releases that they put on the company's website. So, going to listen to these is very valuable, gets you a lot of information, helps you make a more informed decision. And the more due diligence you do, the more informed decision you can make as far as, value investing or just buying a stock in general. That being said, going to their actual dividend, we can see that their dividend amount is 48 cents. It's gone from 46 to 48. Well, 46 to 47 to 48. So it's increased about a penny every year. And then 2020, it's still at 48. They might increase it, they might not. I think they'll probably announce that during that actual call. So look forward to that. And you'll be getting 48 cents if you own it. And then go to this website, and see when the record date is. It seems like this record date was 4/1, and you'll get paid on the 15th. So they'll tell you about the stock going forward, and if they're going to increase their dividend, and how that whole situation is going to be working moving forward. So jumping into our number three, we got ticker sign GPC for Genuine Parts Corporation. Moving average 50 is $74.91. Moving average 200 is $91.70, and they ended the week at $75.19. So going into some background information on Genuine Parts. Says Genuine Parts Company announced its update for its first quarter release. So this came out on the 6th. Yeah, the 6th of April. So it's been out for quite a while. It says declares regular dividend and withdraws previous 2020 guidance. So as far as, this company is concerned, it basically is keeping their dividend, and it's declaring it right here. It says, in addition, board of directors declare a regular quarterly dividend of 79 cents per share on the company's common stock. The dividend payable July 1st to shareholders of record of June 5th. So if you get by June 5th, if you have your shares, you'll get 79 cents per share. So that's something good to look forward to, and also to see that the company is not cutting their dividend, because a lot of companies out there have been cutting their dividend, and I know GM is cutting their dividend, and some other companies like that. But as a value investor, you want to make sure you have those dividends so you can lock in and still get paid to have those shares. And if you don't, you may be looking to put your money elsewhere. And these are some good picks as far as you know, reshuffling your portfolio to still be getting dividends. Now going in here, they have their 79 cents that the company said, but on here you can actually see their history. So going from 2016, they were 65 cents. In 2017, they increased to 67 cents. 2018, they increased to 72 cents. 2019, they increased to 76 cents, and then they've increased to 79 cents in 2020. So that's good to see a company been giving out dividends for that long. Also, that they've been steadily increasing as time has gone on. So it's good from a value investing point of view. Now, thank you all for you all who stayed till the end of the video. I got a bonus number 4 stock, so let's jump into it. We got ticker sign APD for Air Products and Chemicals Incorporated. Moving average 50 is 211 and 28 cents. Moving average 200 is $222 and 32 cents. They ended the week at $222 and 25 cents. So jumping into some background information on them, came out April 23rd, so this is just some of their earnings. GAAP EPS of $2.21, including estimated 6 cents to 8 cents negative impact from Roni situation, up 16%. GAAP net income, including discounted operations, of $490 million, up 13%, and the GAAP net income margin of 221. 22.1%, up 203 basis points. Adjusted EPS of $2.04, including the estimated 6 cents to 8 cents negative impact by Roni, up 6%. Adjusted EBITDA TDA margin of 40.3%, up 206 basis points. So some highlights of what's going on: safety maintained plant operations and business continuity, provided essential products for customers, mobilized to meet urgent needs of medical oxygen, continue to pursue a win and new on-site opportunities during the pandemic. Stable on-site business. Asia merchant volumes were impacted by Roni, but have since recovered. Limited Americas and EA merchant volume impact during Q2. Secure financial position with robust cash flow, 2.2 billion cash on hand, modest net of 1.1 billion as of the 31st. Announced and closed on purchase of 5 operating hydrogen plants in the U.S. Began long-term hydrogen supply. Signed agreement to provide proprietary liquefied natural gas (LNG) technology, equipment, and related processes licensed and advisory services to the first onshore LNG project in the Republic of Mozambique. I have no idea where that is, but you know, basically, they're basically still doing production in spite of the pandemic, and it was good to see that their Asian market actually has recovered, which is good news. Even though they said it was impacted, it has recovered since then. So that's good news moving forward with the company, as well as seeing that they had some increases in actual growth financially in the company. So with that being said, going to the background, we can see that they have a dividend that they pay quarterly, and the cash amount is going to be $1.34. So just like the other ones, they have also increased their dividend, and we can see it went from 95 cents to $1.10 to $1.16. Now it's $1.34, which is good. Gets the thumbs up in my book. It's something that is good to invest in for the long term, especially that they've continued to increase it and have paid it for quite a while as well. So hope that helps you for doing some value investing. I know people are switching towards value investing as time has gone on. A good place to secure your money until this whole situation blows over. And value investing, is not a bad thing. It's just not as popular as try to make quick money or a quick turnaround doing day trading or options. But it's definitely another way of investing in a little bit more safer way. Just got to find the right stocks to do so. So make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, like, comment, share. Uh, tell me what stocks you guys are looking at for the week. Uh, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.